Hello viewers, this is me from the Fix Netflix YouTube channel, and today I will show you some methods what to do if your Sharp TV not turning on. Don't worry, if your Sharp TV fails to power on and there is no reasons to panic. There are a couple of possible reasons why the scenario occurs, and in most cases it is not due to a broken the TV. Usually it just takes a few minutes and some troubleshooting to get your TV back up and running. So before we start, please keep in touch with our channel by subscribing and like and share this video with your friends so they can take benefit from this channel. So let's start. Step 1. Check the remote. If you are trying to turn on your Sharp TV using a remote and it won't turn on, it is very likely that the remote control batteries are dead. So you should replace old batteries with the newer ones and give it a shot. If it is still won't work, and try turning on the TV by pressing the power button. If the TV turns on this way and you know your remote control is dead and it is time to get a new one. Step 2. Power cycle your Sharp TV. Most of the power related issues can be resolved by the power cycling your Sharp TV. Unplug the power cable of your TV from the current outlet and leave it disconnected for a few minutes, and press and hold the TV power button or remote power button on your TV for 10 seconds, and plug the power cable back and try turning on your TV again. If the power cycling your TV did not work, you can try the next option. Step 3. Check the condition of the power cord. Loose power cord could also be one of the reasons that your TV won't turn on, and you need to make sure that the connection to the both of the power outlet and the TV are firmly plugged in. You may want to unplug it and then plug it back in again to see if it works. If it does not work, you should also check if the current outlet is working, as it could be a faulty too. Step 4. Replace internal components. If you understand electronics and how they work, you can troubleshoot the boards to identify potential power problem. A Sharp TV that won't turn on is often caused by the failing the power supply board. The most common parts to fail on the power supply board are the capacitors, transistors and diodes. If the Sharp TV does have proper power output but it's appearing not turn on, then the likely culprit is a bad T-con board. In short, the time controller board is the responsible for the relaying signal to the LCD or the LED screen. So there is more to it, but that is the gist. If you have never disassembled a Sharp TV or any other TV or that matter, it is best to let a certified repair technician handle the repair for you. Disassembly is a precise detail and a risk to your safety. Any wrong move and you can damage the TV or yourself, especially with all those tight and the brittle wire connections and the high power circuits. Step 5. Contact Sharp support. If any of the above solution did not work for you, the only option is left to contact Sharp support for further help. So viewers, hopefully this video will help you to resolve the problem on your Sharp Smart TV, and if any difficulties, please feel free to inform us by comments in below, and if you have any best idea, kindly share with us. If this video found helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like and share this helpful video with your friends, and thank you very much for watching this video.